In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an eye-catching 3D portrait using Canva. Whether you're looking to add some flair to your design projects or just want a fun way to upgrade personal photos, this guide will take you through each step of the process. To begin our creative journey, open up Canva on your computer. If you haven't used Canva before, it's a fantastic tool for designing everything from social media graphics to presentations, and today it'll serve as our digital art studio. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and find the Apps button. Click on it to open a range of additional features and tools that Canva offers to expand your creative possibilities. In the search bar that appears, type 3D Portrait. This feature is specifically designed to transform your simple photos into stunning three-dimensional artworks. As you type, you should see an option that matches what you entered. Click on this option to access the feature. Here, you'll find yourself at the beginning of an exciting creative process. You'll now see a button labeled Choose This One, which will allow you to pick your desired file from your device. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to select an image for transformation. Your chosen image is the foundation of your 3D portrait, so pick a photo that is clear and has good contrast. Once you've selected your image, it's time to prepare it for a 3D makeover. Next, find and click on the Remove Background option. This tool is instrumental in focusing solely on the subject of your photo, making the conversion into a 3D image seamless and smooth. With the background out of the way, you'll notice your subject is framed perfectly for the next transformation phase. Now, click on Generate 3D Image. This is where the magic happens as Canva's tool converts your flat photo into a vibrant 3D piece of art. You'll watch as your image transforms into a multi-dimensional portrait before your eyes. It's a fantastic moment in the process that brings an unexpected pop to your design. Once your 3D image is ready, click Add to Design to incorporate it into your overall project. This step allows you to adjust placement and blend it with other design elements you might already have in your Canva workspace. Be sure to tinker with the size, using Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop functionality to fit your vision perfectly. Whether you want to go big and bold or keep things subtle and small, resizing ensures your image complements your overall design. And there you have it, your final result. You've turned a simple photo into a striking 3D portrait using the tools within Canva. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this adds a unique touch to your creative projects. Remember to have fun experimenting with different images and enjoy the artistic possibilities this tool offers. Happy designing!